Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here today with my third entry into my red birthday challenge. So I will have the link to that birthday challenge below. And let's open up to see what I got. And it says happy birthday stamped up here. So hopefully you guys play along. It's a red challenge. Create a member dex card using red and can't be holiday related. So you got to think outside the box. You as crafters, we usually use red for one thing. Oh, look at this. Oh, that is, pretty, pretty. Look at that. And I want to take a picture. You know, I got to take a couple pictures. I'm going to come right back. All right, so I'm going to untie this pretty bow in red. And I will reuse that again. Thank you. Nicely tied and nice cut-aparts. Cut-aparts. I got me some shoes. Yes, yes, yes. Always can use those. Love those. Love that dye. And it's nice and shimmery. It's actually got like a little print on it too, like the like a linen. Nice paper metallic, and the sun is glaring. This is like a copper color, a bronze. Ooh, yay, yay, yay. I saw her video. She did a video response, so I got you down for that too, Joyce. So this is what she sent me. Beautiful, love it all. So this is my memory dex card. Yay. Love it. So make sure you check out her paper. Check out her channel, Joyce. Thank you, Joyce. She does such beautiful work. Look at that. I mean, beautiful. Look at the image. Love it. And the flowers. I mean, it's so nicely done. Love it. I love that paper. Oh my gosh. This is so pretty. And so I'm going to put a link to the video that she actually did and her channel there so you can see the video that she did to this. So pretty. And on the back she has her channel, which is Love That Paper 215. Her Instagram is JoyMLF. So thank you, Miss Joyce. She also made me a ATC. I love these ladies. The graphic 45 images, I love them. Oh, wait a minute, is that two? Oh, that's right, this is the easel one, I forgot. She did the easel, yes, yes, yes. Which is so cool, because you don't get to see those. And I always want to make one, so you know you're going to inspire me to make one. So that is like way cool. It says, you are fabulous. Look at that. I love it. I love it. I love it. So yes, this is the easel ATC for those of you who haven't seen one of those. Love it. Love it. So beautiful. And she's got the bling along the side. And she's got some little red beads right here as the stoppers. And the same thing on this one. She's got it nicely jeweled with the red and the black and the clear. Oh, and I love how she circled this one out. And then she has the gold foil right there at the leaves. Thank you for your card and the interesting business card. Thank you, Joyce. And she mentioned that she just happened to have this tag to go along with it. And I'm so excited because this tag is beautiful. And it's a nice size. This is a huge tag. I love it. She has embossed the background. And look, she's put glossy accent over her. This is the same lady that's on the ATC. Oh, I love this. And then she's got a gold doily in the background. It says celebrate. And some black jewels right here, and it says vintage. And look at the gold flowers. Absolutely gorgeous. Love the dimension, love the texture, love the size. This is like a maybe 5x7 or something like that. Beautiful, beautiful card. So you can see the embossing on the back. So this is elegant. All of it the same. I love. So this is why I'm so glad I did this challenge, because I knew people were just gonna think outside the box. And this red is one of those colors that you really, really want to think about and use differently. And then also she gave me her card, so you guys interested in checking her out. She's got a wonderful channel. She does a lot of different stuff. She vlogs up there as well. So I'm so excited. You're my third entry, and I got you down. And you're postmarked in time. And you got your ATC, and you got the member dex card, and I got my little Heidi Swap memory decks. So I'm going to put this up as my number 3, my third one. Got to go in this way. So I have my 3 up here. Yay. Yeah, I'm excited. So I can't wait to see this thing just full of those color items. So it's going to be so cool. So thank you, Joyce. Her number will be below. I'm so excited. You did such a beautiful job. Love everything. Love the Vintage Ladies. Love the Memorex card. So check out her channel, and hopefully you guys will play along. The deadline is January the 14th, and I will have the link to the video that you can, if you want interested in playing along, so you see what the requirements are. And again, thank you for liking, watching, and subscribing. I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.